How to apply the law of attraction for finding a mate. When the usual avenues of finding a mate leave us less than impressed with the results, it may be time to take a different approach. The law of attraction states that whatever we dwell upon, with intensity, will manifest into our lives sooner or later, be they good or bad. If we're doing it anyway without being aware of it, then why not use it intentionally to manifest what we do want, including a mate? 1. Focus. When you think of finding the perfect mate for you, there will be the hint of an image in your mind of what they might look like. Focus on it, add details to it until that ideal mate is clear in your mind's eye. 2. Go with the feeling. When picturing them in your mind, there's a feeling that goes with it. Feel that feeling intensely. 3. Close your eyes and say out loud, something like, I declare that I want my perfect mate to come into my life within the next 30 days. Feel intense emotions of love and joy and excitement with your declaration, while holding the image of them firmly in your mind. 4. Open your eyes and let your declaration go by saying something like, it's done. You've just sent your intention out to the universe. There's no need to keep peeking out the window to see whether the delivery van is coming yet, and certainly no need to question or doubt whether your dream mate will be delivered. You've placed your order, now let it go and let the universe do its part of the job. 5. Spend a few minutes now saying thank you for the things you already have in your life. Feel genuine gratitude for them, no matter how big or small they might be. For instance, thank you for the house I'm living in. Thank you for my friends, thank you for my job, thank you for this breakfast, beautiful day, etc. Being thankful and grateful puts our mind in a higher state of frequency that will help keep our minds focused on the day our dream walks into our life. 6. Now go about your day. From now until your mate manifests, the only thing you're going to focus on is the image of your mate, and at the same time, feeling exactly the way you will feel the day they come into your life. Hold that feeling of excitement and joy and bliss. Keep it with you right through every single day until he or she arrives. The more you do that, the faster your mate will manifest. 7. Draw or cut out pictures of lovers, or scenes of joy and romance, and put them where you will see them the minute you open your eyes every morning. Every morning, rather than making your declaration all over again, because you only need to do it once, repeat steps 5 and 6 before you get out of bed, after you get out of bed, while you have a shower, while you drive to work, etc. Tips: know that you know that you know that you know that your perfect mate is on his/her way. Write down a detailed description of your perfect mate and keep it where you can see it frequently throughout each day, if it isn't possible to keep pictures with you. It helps to avoid all forms of media, people and situations that focus on negativity, wherever possible. Keep the TV and radio turned off for at least a month to help you maintain your joyous state of expectation and passion. Make a note of the date you first made your declaration so you have a record to prove that the law of attraction really does work. Prepare for their arrival, buy another towel, another toothbrush and/or another coffee cup just for them. Put them next to your own, set 2 places at meal times, one of which is for them, etc. This demonstrates your expectation and absolute faith and belief that the universe is working on manifesting your dream. Keep your declaration secret until it manifests, don't share it with anyone else. Negative, cynical input from others can cause you to doubt what you're doing, which will instantly cancel your intention with the universe. Enjoy the process. Feel good about it.